When Ashu Bagri's grandfather passed away, he was left with a very small inheritance. Desperate to make something of it, Ashu invested in the stock market. He read every book and article he could find and used every ounce of knowledge he had to turn the small inheritance into a great fortune. Ashu became a master of the stock market, and it soon became his primary source of income.
Ashu Bagri decided to use his knowledge to help others by creating a Stock Market 101 class. He wouldn't just talk about stocks. He would teach you strategies from his own experiences. He will explain the complexity and risks associated with trading in the stock market, so that you can make an informed decision.
Although trading in the stock market may be risky, investors can greatly benefit if they make the right decisions. In addition to the potential of large rewards, stock markets are exciting and give investors the opportunity to take charge of their financial well-being. Ashu Bagri is here to help you take control and get the most out of the stock market. If you're interested in learning the secrets of investing from Ashu Bagri, subscribe to his channel today. You'll get the latest stock market news, investing tips, and strategies from one of the most experienced investors in the game. Stop wasting time and money, and let Ashu Bagri help you make more money through smart investing.
With Ashu Bagri's guidance, you can easily dominate the stock market. Subscribe to his channel and get access to tons of cutting-edge knowledge and advice. Don't wait any longer to take control of your financial future. With the help of Ashu Bagri, you can be a master stock market investor in no time.